Hi, third grade. Mrs. Thompson here today with your second fluency option for today. So if you did not do a sprint today, you are doing group counting. Today, we will learn how to create an array that models multiplication and write a multiplication sentence to match an array. I can use equal groups to model arrays that match multiplication. I can write a multiplication sentence to match an array. Okay, so listen as I am counting. So we're going to count to 18 forward and backward. I want you to whisper, whisper, and then speak. Ready and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. You may see your teachers with a closed hand, or you may see them put their hands up to indicate stop. So now we're going to go backwards doing the same thing. Whisper, whisper, speak. Ready, go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, boys and girls. You may stop. Now you are going to watch for a signal. The thumbs up means go up. Thumbs down means you're going down. So I am going to pick a number. The number is going to be 9. You are going to count up from 9 to 18. Are we ready? We're going to think about the same thing. We're going to whisper, whisper, speak. Okay? All right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. Awesome. Boys and girls, your teachers may be pointing down. We're going to start at 9 and go down. Whisper, whisper, speak. Ready, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Excellent work, boys and girls. This time we are going to think to 18. So think, speak. We're going to go up and then we're forward and then we're going to go backwards. Ready, go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Stop. Now we're going to go backwards. This time we're going backwards from 12. We're going to go think, speak. 9, 6, 3, 0. Boys and girls, what did we just count by? You're right. We counted by 3s. And you did an awesome job. We have another activity for our fluency option 2. This should take about 3 minutes. You need your personal whiteboard for this activity. You're adding equal groups. Boys and girls, how many are in each group? Write it on your board. When I say waterfall, show your answers. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. You're right. There are 3 groups, and there are 2 in each group. Awesome work. 2 in each group. Can you write an addition sentence for this? So 3 groups, 2 in each group. What does that look like as an addition sentence? Write it on your whiteboard. When I say waterfall, show your answers. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. Awesome. I see 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Now, write a multiplication sentence for 3 2's equals 6. Don't show your board until I say waterfall. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. You're right. 3 times 2 equals 6. Erase your board. We have another set of groups that we want to look at. So here's the first set that we want to look at. Or I should say for some pictures that we want to look at. So here, I'm going to ask the same questions. How many groups do we have? Show me with your fingers. 3. Awesome. Now, with your whiteboards, write the number to this question, or write the answer to this question. How many are in each group? Write the number on the board. Do not show us the answer until I say waterfall. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. Awesome. There are 5 in each group. So 3 groups, 5 in each group. What's the addition equation for this? You're right. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Awesome work. Boys and girls, erase your boards and now put the multiplication equation for this. Right. 3 times 5 equals 15. There are 3 groups of 5. See if we can do the same for this one. This time, I just want the addition sentence and the multiplication equation. Don't show us the answer until I say waterfall. All right, 1, 2, 3, waterfall. Awesome. I see 4 plus 4 plus 4. Since there are 3 groups of 4, I see 3 times 4 equals 12. Boys and girls, you did an amazing job today. Have a great day with the rest of your math lesson.